Hey guys, welcome to CryptoPark channel, and today I'm gonna talk about one app by which you can earn free crypto for sharing your internet data. The good thing about this app is you can earn token and sell your crypto instantly. You don't need to wait for listing. So before talking about the app, let me tell you one important thing. I daily post airdrops and airdrops related update in my Telegram channel. So don't forget to follow my Telegram channel. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the app is called UpRock and you will be earning UPT token for sharing your internet. You will find the app download link in the description below. And the app is available for all platforms, Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Linux as well. To get started, first you need to download the app. You can download the app from the link which I provided in the description below. After that, open the app and keep it running in the background. If you are downloading the app in the mobile, disable the battery saver mode. Otherwise, your app will be closed automatically after few minutes. You can withdraw UPT token anytime. To withdraw UPT token, you need at least 5 UPT token. You can transfer your token to Phantom wallet. I have already transferred my token 2 times. One time 500 token, another time 177 token. After getting UPT token in Phantom wallet, you can swap it for any other token in Phantom wallet itself. And the earning from the UpRock app, not too high, not too low. It is good amount of crypto. Also remember, to transfer from UpRock app, you will need 5 UPT token as fees. That's it for today guys. Don't forget to follow my Telegram channel. Also visit my website cryptopark.in for more airdrops. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. See you soon.